Okay, this is how you assemble a ski lift. This is your seat. First thing you want to do is take the backrest. Get the backrest set in place. Then you'll take an armrest. This straight piece goes on the outside. Some of these arms are a little different and they connect on the inside here, but they're basically all the same. Then you want to get your other armrest. This straight piece goes on the outside. Once you have all these bolts in place, you want to tighten them up. You want to grab one of the legs. The triangle part will face back. These legs can be pretty tight. Definitely helps to have two people. You grab the other leg, the triangle will face back. Okay, once your legs are on, there's going to be a cross member that goes from one leg to the other. That flat 2-inch piece goes on the back of the legs. It will only fit one way, but it has to be on there. It keeps it from swaying. So once you've got all that set up, you'll have two L pieces. They'll be engraved. One goes to the left side. The other one will be engraved too on the back, facing back. I'll tell you that goes on the right side. And the only thing left is to put this on top. Your legs are going to be engraved too. There'll be an engraving on the very top bar where the T's on the bottom. The very top it'll say left or right. The legs have to go on the right and the left side where they say they go, or the holes won't line up. And that's it.